So yeah, psoriasis, I think I've learned this over the last 6 years, is it cycles like this. There's clearance, and then there's more breakout, and then there's more clearance. And the best I can do is each moment keep working. I feel great. I have no internal symptoms, none. I sleep rock solid 8-9 hours a night. I'm feeling great during the day, grazing on fruit, keeping up with probiotics, keeping meat very low, just trying to eat a lot of plant foods, organic plant foods, fruits and vegetables. This is my left upper leg. You see it's been breaking out again. It had gone clear, lots of pimples, but the psoriasis rashing had cleared, and this has come about now. I think it's runoff from my lower legs, because they continue to lighten and slowly do better. Right, my lower leg is completely covered, right? It goes crazy. It goes right down to the sock line. Up now. The knee has been clearing pretty well still. And you see the breakup happening around there. And then the side of the leg's done very well. So, here. Now, of course, my abdomen used to be completely red, but it's not pitch red. This is all new breakout, but the upper chest is doing very good. Upper chest still doing good. Still a little bit of breakout, but on the neck, the shoulder area. Okay. So the shoulder area is still doing good. You can see that, hopefully. I'm trying to use a low natural light here. Shoulder, and the neck area, of course, is an epicenter area around that little root canal. And it's spread up the scalp, and then it's on the face again. Here. Still very mild. But this is kind of breaking out again. But this continues to break up, though. This was really, really rough area. Very red, very plaquing and thick and hot. Much cooler, ears much cooler. Real skin here and there on this side, but much less caking skin here, and it just still perpetuates around. But in the arms, it had cleared there. It's breaking up on the shoulders really well. You can see the white skin. I'm trying to get some sun there, but this kind of was down and then started spreading out again. And the lower arm is a rough time. So, same on this arm. The upper arm. Also, this is the best. My back. Back's still doing good. I don't see any breakouts happening on the back. The back was completely covered all the way down through my butt before. But it's doing great. So that's real beautiful olive skin. And it used to be completely covered. And the back of my legs too. Doing really good, if you can see that. So they're doing great, and the sides are doing great. This is still fading away. This used to be all covered, right? So, but it's definitely less aggressive than when it broke out 3 years ago. The second phase, definitely less aggressive. This is very mild. But you can see where it happens. This is what's been breaking up. This is what's been clearing. This is kind of a new breakout here. This is what's been clearing up the lower leg. There's bruising on the lower leg. We got a little bit of bruising. A little bit of blue and purple area on the lower leg. So, but clearance. The lower leg used to be completely pitch red and caked and plaqued and just so severe. I mean, I can't even explain how severe my 2 lower legs, my beast of burden were, but they are much lighter. And as this slowly lightens and fades and this dead skin there slows down, I have these breakouts where it just cleared. Body breaks it out. The knee is doing pretty good. It's up and down. You know, it's 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 3 steps forward, 2 steps back, you know, circles, chaotic interconnected circles on a slowly positive trending line. You just go up to a circle, back to a circle, and just learn to keep going. Key is faith and acceptance. That's what I'm working on. Is, hey, faith in what I'm doing my best. And acceptance, this is where it's at right now. I gotta love my skin, man. I gotta love myself. And I think that gives me more power to just keep on fighting, challenging myself more and more higher discipline. All works together. Quiet, sound mind, strong spirit, strong soul, warrior power, you know, emotionals, clearance too, is something I'm working on. It's all put on the table. It's beautiful. I mean, I'm just working on my practice every day. Never going to quit. Never going to quit, baby. Warrior power. Love y'all. Much love, mad respect, more healing. Get after it. I'm here for you. Ask me anything. I'm here for you.